Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a Spotify playlist to your Notion. So for example, we want to put it somewhere here for our travel plans. So when you go to Spotify, now you're going to choose a playlist which you want to add to your Notion template. And now you're going to click these three dots right there. You're going to click share and you're going to click embed playlist. Now we're going to choose the color of it, even if it's black or just the strange color. Now you're going to choose a size of it. I'm just going to leave it on 100%. And now I'm just going to copy it. You're going to go here on Notion here. And you're going to click that plus sign right there. Now you're going to enter embed like so. And you're going to paste this link. Embed the link. And it should load up like so, as you can see. As you can see, I have chose the black color, but still it's this orange color, and probably this is the only option. So yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.